Hey everybody, a quick update. We're going to do the daily update again here real quick. Just to let you know, it's too repetitive to do it every day, and I don't think that it serves any good purpose, but I'll try to do at least one a week. The market value, we are sitting at 4.440. We are on Front Street. Our purchasing power, which is our cash account, still has 114 million. And we are on a high with 4.44 billion. So most of that is due to Asia Sell. And let me bring up our daily report for October 29th. ISX 60 had a 2.92% increase. The ISX 15 a 2.04% rise. And today's trading session saw higher than usual trading values with a total of 2.19 billion shares exchanged for 5.21 billion IQD across 1,612 trades. Could you imagine if they ever got to just 1 or 2% of what the USA trades are doing? Wow. This thing will explode. But the big stock of the day is Bank of Baghdad. They have announced Q3 results, leading to a 12.99% spike in its stock price. Awesome news there. That is one of our stocks. But the top three gainers. Again, Branch of Baghdad, 12.99%. But you've got a couple that even did better than BBOB. Our top three losers, thankfully, we don't have anything in these. Give you a second to look that over. If you need more time, just feel free to stop the video. Our top three by trading volume: Bank of Baghdad, Asia Sale, National Bank of Iraq, Masara Bank, Iraqi for Seed Production. Bank of Baghdad, but look at this, over 1 billion shares traded with Asia Sale. Trading volume: Bank of Baghdad, Worka Bank, Asher Bank, National Bank, Masara Bank. All three top trading volume went to banks, of which we've got two of them. We've got BBOB and BMNS. But again, the banking sector dominates with 67.87% of all the trades. Just amazing. But look here at Asia Sell, or the telecom, but it's Asia Sell. And two of our biggest holdings, which of course is the banking and the telecom, which is what continues to drive up our bottom line. The banking sector dominated the session, driven largely by Bank of Baghdad, which saw a significant 12.99% price increase. BBOB's performance accounted for a substantial portion of today's total market value, signaling continued investor confidence in the banking sector. Other major banks, such as BNOI and BMNS, also experienced high trading volumes. Telecom sector: Asia Sell continued its upward trend, closing at 10.95. The stock is approaching its pre-General Assembly price levels amid strong demand, reflecting positive investor sentiment in the telecom sector. Asia Sell contributed significantly to the session's total value, further highlighting the sector's importance in the overall market landscape. We still have not heard what Asia Sell is going to be paying out in dividends, if any. But as soon as we do find that out or hear anything, I will definitely let you know. But this is all showing a very positive increase overall with our investment. Again, we are sitting at 4.44 billion shares. I believe our previous, 4,328,000,000. So it's gone up over 100 million, 112 million roughly. So not a bad day or a bad week. I guess it's been a few days, but some of those days were even down just a hair, and that, like I've said over and over, that's going to fluctuate, but we do like to see this continue to climb over time. And I think time-wise, we're right on top of this thing. I truly believe that once the currency auctions stop at the end of December, that's when we're going to see something. They're ready for ascension into the WTO. I think all of this ties together, and it's all going to click right about the same time. So that's not telling you it's going to happen. This is not financial advice. It is just my feeling on the timing of everything. That's not to say that it couldn't do something much faster, much sooner. I believe that it's all going to take place at the same time. And once those currency auctions stop, they move to a free-floating currency. They set a price for their free-floating currency. They ascend to the WTO, and everything happens at the flip of a switch. And I won't get into what I think the price is going to be, because I certainly hope that I am wrong on it. But there's nothing to say that it can't be any price at all. The central bank has more than what is out in circulation. So whatever price, they've got it covered. I think it's going to line up in a certain way. And I think there are going to be many, many, many people that are going to be extremely excited for this to happen. So with that said, we've got, I think, no more than a couple of months, but it could be a couple of hours, it could be a couple of days, and we just do not know. And I think we're in a great spot. And I don't want to get people's hopes up. As I said, I am not privy to any inside information whatsoever. I don't know anybody that can give me any information, at least honestly and directly from the sources. So this is all speculation, continues to be speculation. But I think we're in a good spot. All right, so with that, I wish you all a great week. If you can, get out, vote early. You realize that how important this election is. And, every election, probably from the beginning, every election has been important. But if you don't think this is the most important election to date, something is seriously wrong. You've got to get out. We can't let the loser left steal this election like they did the last one. And I think I'm just preaching to the choir on this, but you guys, 98, 99%, if not even a higher number, understand. So get out, vote. Make sure you take somebody with you to vote. and vote early if possible. We need those numbers to hit hard when they first start showing up. If not, make sure you vote on election day, and don't be afraid to convince people that we need to take this election over. All right? It may not be that important to some of you, but I cannot even imagine how bad things are going to get if she wins. And this is not a sexist thing. It is not against women. I would love to see a woman be president. I just want the right woman to be president. And they're using every trick in the book. And they're trying to make people feel ashamed for not voting for a woman. How insanely stupid these people are and what they'll stoop to. Don't fall for any of that. Vote your conscience. And I'm sure your conscience isn't telling you to go vote for an American destroying psychopath, pathological liar. But then, she did work at McDonald's, right? Anyway, I'll get off politics. Just want to say whatever. Go vote. Go vote. Go vote. God bless you all. Take care.